Every day in the ever-operating world of logistics and industry, millions of wooden pallets are used to transport goods. But after serving their purpose, where do these wooden boards go? Are they discarded, burned, or reborn? In an era where environmental protection and resource regeneration are top priorities, pallet wood is no longer just an auxiliary material. It has become a valuable resource for recycling. And the rebirth of a pallet is not merely a technical process. It's a story of thrift, creativity, and sustainability. Let's step inside a pallet wood recycling factory, where worn-out planks are brought back to life through every meticulous stage. It all starts with the collection and sorting phase. Old pallets are gathered from factories, warehouses, and seaports. On a long conveyor belt, each pallet passes through a system of cameras and sensors. Artificial intelligence automatically determines the level of damage for each wooden board, from those still intact and requiring only light cleaning to those completely broken beyond repair. Pallets are divided into three main categories. The first group includes those in good condition, just a quick clean, and they're ready for reuse. The second group consists of lightly damaged pallets, often with a few broken slats, loose nails, or slight warping. The final group, severely damaged, rotted, shattered, or termite-infested, will be sent into the recycling shredding system. For pallets in good condition, the processing stage is extremely simple. After being cleaned with compressed air or lightly sanded, they are stamped, measured, and returned to the transportation cycle. A quick, cost-effective, and efficient reuse. Lightly damaged pallets are taken to the repair area. Here, workers use specialized nail removal machines, typically semi-automatic models with dual sliding blades that extract nails without cracking the wood. Damaged boards are then replaced. Nails are resecured using pneumatic nail guns, capable of firing up to 5 nails per second. With the help of lift tables and support racks, the repair process is carried out quickly and accurately. Once restored, these pallets can continue to serve the transportation industry for many more cycles. In cases where pallets cannot be repaired but the boards are still usable, they are dismantled to salvage each wooden slat. This process uses roller-type or dual-blade pallet disassembly machines, which separate each piece from the frame without damaging the surface. The reclaimed wood is then reprocessed, nails are removed, surfaces are smoothed, and the wood is dried before being repurposed into tables, bookshelves, beds, or handcrafted furniture and decorative items. For severely damaged pallets that can no longer be salvaged in any way, they are sent to the shredding stage, the beginning of their industrial rebirth. The shredders used are typically hammer mills or twin-shaft shredders. Hammer mills operate by spinning steel hammers at high speed to smash the wood, while twin-shaft shredders use two-toothed shafts to crush and tear the wood into chips. The average capacity can reach up to 10 tons of wood per hour. After shredding, the material is transferred to a metal separation system, where electromagnets extract all nails and leftover metal fragments, ensuring the cleanliness of the input material. Next comes the drying phase. The shredded wood chips and sawdust have high moisture content, usually ranging from 25% to 50%. If pressed immediately, it would result in mold, flaking, or uneven burning. Therefore, the material is fed into a rotary drum dryer, a long steel tube capable of continuous rotation. Inside, hot air flows evenly at temperatures between 150 degrees Celsius and 250 degrees Celsius, reducing the moisture content to the standard range of about 8% to 12%. The dried material is then sent to a glue mixing machine, where it is combined with urea or phenol formaldehyde-based adhesives. Depending on the intended use, additives such as moisture resistance, fire retardants, or mechanical strength enhancers may also be included. Next is the pressing stage. The wood and glue mixture is evenly spread onto a mold frame and fed into a multi-layer hot press. Under pressure ranging from 2 to 6 megapascals and temperatures between 160 degrees Celsius and 200 degrees Celsius, the glue melts, penetrates the wood fibers, and hardens, forming strong composite boards. Depending on the pressing conditions and material type, the factory can produce particle board, MDF, or HDF, serving the furniture, construction, and interior decoration industries. After pressing, the boards are cooled, then sanded on both sides using high-powered sanding machines and trimmed to standard sizes with CNC saws. If needed, the boards can be coated with melamine, laminate, or veneer to enhance aesthetics and durability. In addition to being pressed into boards, part of the sawdust is also used to produce biomass pellets. Inside the pellet press, sawdust is compressed through a circular die under extremely high pressure. No glue is needed. Lignin, a natural compound in wood, melts under heat and binds the wood particles together. Wood pellets are a clean fuel widely used in industrial boilers and heating systems across Europe, Japan, and South Korea. The entire process, from collection, sorting, repairing, shredding, drying, pressing, to packaging, forms a closed-loop recycling system. Wooden boards once deemed useless are now transformed into new materials, continuing to serve human life in a different form. Pallet recycling is not just a technical solution, it is a symbol of thrift, creativity, and environmental responsibility. Within every pressed board and every small pellet lies an entire journey of technology and the will to renew. And that is the true beauty of recycling, where nothing is waste if we choose to see it and reuse it with respect and wisdom. Thank you for watching the video. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. Goodbye and see you in the next video.